Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor 200 Smart to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. And when you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of Honor. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Honor, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times and then access your files. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Then hit got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To input this key, hit input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And then hit receive button. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. Whatever you decided, just wait. Close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!